Hello guys, and welcome back to Bittruth with your host Marcus. In today's video we are doing tips and tricks video. We are going to talk about the 5 deadly mistakes that you might make in crypto that might drive you poor and not drive you to being rich, or actually make like a decent amount of money in a shorter period of time. So a lot of people are going to talk about what a 15-year-old knows about investing in cryptocurrencies and wealth and all that stuff. But let me tell you something. What I'm going to talk about today comes from the experience from the market itself, from the investors that lost a lot of money, from reading a lot of articles on my channel, and there's a lot of evidence. Watch all my daily mining videos. You can actually see a lot of things about cryptocurrencies, and you can get a lot of things educated actually in just a month's period. And I think I want to share my own experience with the viewers and the subscribers of Bittruth, this channel. And without further ado, let's start this video. So the first deadliest mistake is time equals money, and this tip is actually, or this mistake actually, a lot of miners make. This is especially for miners. If you're a miner, just you need to listen to this. Time equals money, and in this you are doing active income, not passive income. You know, a lot of people think that, oh yeah, mining is passively and you can make money without doing anything. Do you really do nothing? Okay, you have actually to set up the own miner, you have to troubleshoot, you have to keep testing the algorithms, you have to look at the overclocks, you have to also actually test the coins that you mine, you have to look at the most profitable coin, you have to actually a daily maintenance, okay, on like mining. So a solution for this, you should actually day trade your money from making it from like cryptocurrencies while mining. You should like do all that stuff. You should like invest in proof of stake coins. You should actually do investments that are really passive income and not only active income. So time equals money is also another problem in cryptocurrencies that I think a lot of people should avoid to actually get richer rather than actually pay more fees like electricity fees and all that stuff. So that's the first mistake most people do. Convenience equals expensive. Now this mistake is actually widely just ignored by most people because people don't actually think analytically about convenience. Okay, a lot of people think, oh yeah, let me just mine through the easiest software like NiceHash and I'll make the most profits. But actually convenience equals expensive because you are not only buying the product, you're also buying the service itself. So think about it like you are buying something, but at the same time you are paying the profit for the other person. So he's making more profit than you, and if you made it yourself, it would be easier. So how does that apply to cryptocurrencies? For example, for mining, if you do your own bat file and you do your own mining, actually you don't have to pay fees for other like companies or software developers, okay, like NiceHash. NiceHash has a lot of convenience. I used it myself, okay, the months ago, okay, and it really didn't make me that much money as I thought, as using other softwares like Nanopool or any other pool out there that mines the coin itself and not mine only and then get paid in Bitcoin. So there's actually really like a really life rule for convenience equals expensive in cryptocurrencies, and only when you see actually convenience everywhere in cryptocurrencies, you need to actually ask yourself, is that expensive or is that cheap? Is that the best way to actually deal in cryptocurrencies, or is that like should I avoid it? Okay, and that's the second mistake on this list. Let's invest in every single ICO out there. So I want to talk about this mistake, how people actually have this mindset of I want to get rich quick. I'm sorry to tell you, but that will not ever happen. Okay, cryptocurrencies were not made that way, and Bitcoin had baby steps from 2009 to 2018 or 17, whether you think it's more successful in that time or before. Anyways, what's more important, that not investing in every ICO is important, okay? Bitcoin's success, that's the mentality of these people. Bitcoin's success will be replicated, or Ethereum or Ripple or EOS. I'm sad to tell you, but that will never happen. Okay, the competition is really high. The market cap of these huge coins like Bitcoins are also really high, and really another company, okay, that is trying to make a new ICO, a new decentralized coin, will not reach that amount of success. Yes, it can reach like a huge level like Ontology, reaching like from the top 30 coins or something, but it cannot like reach Bitcoin's like place. Okay, you need to think about these people that have this mentality should erase that mentality before actually keep investing in every single ICO out there, scam or not scam, profitable or not profitable. You need to actually think about your own investment in the long term, not in the short term. Most companies have like ICOs have like really bad roadmaps. They don't have a really proper team. They really don't have a proper plan, blockchain technology, mainnet, you know, plan, anything. Okay, they don't have that stuff. Okay, there are actually just a handful of these ICOs that actually do that. That's why you need to actually stay away from ICOs in general. Okay, actually, if you have to do your own due diligence on one ICO, you can do that. But most importantly, don't invest in every single ICO out there, because that will not make you rich. That will actually make you more poor. Anxiety and fear. Now, a lot of people actually stay in this market and they want, oh, I want to make $1,000, $2,000, $100,000. And the problem is, in every swing, okay, in every dump, in everything, they just start saying, oh, I need to sell, I need to panic sell, bro, I need to do that. I mean, I panic sell before. Okay, I learned from my mistakes. I understand a lot of people, I'm going to say in the comments, but you said you should have a plan B. Yes, you should have a plan B, but not sell the whole thing and just destroy your whole like hold on cryptocurrencies. Okay, people that are really sensitive in this market and really feel a lot of anxiety should actually exit before they destroy themselves, destroy their investment, destroy their life savings. Okay, these people are not eligible to actually stay in this market. I'm sad to tell you, but you cannot actually invest in this like really speculative market under anxiety and under all these emotions that you are under. You're not going to even have a success. You're actually going to also stay in fear. You're going to keep watching the charts, listening to CNBC FUD stories, or start listening to people that are not financial advisors on YouTube, future predictions and all these stuff. So you need to also like erase these mentalities of fear and anxiety, or else just exit the market. There's a lot of like investing opportunities out there without like cryptocurrencies. You have affiliate marketing, you have like selling stuff on Amazon, you have actually these simple stuff. No one told you to actually really concentrate on cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrencies are the only investment opportunity. Okay, I need you to actually really think about this and really like look on yourself and just understand, am I doing the right thing? Not doing your own due diligence. Now, I know guys, a lot of you might expect this one, but I can't stress enough that you should do your own due diligence. Let me tell you something. If you don't do your own due diligence, some people actually who are investing in this market, what they do is that they listen to some of these YouTubers or these figures that are just wearing a suit, a proper haircut, and just like a mouthful of subscribers or followers on their Instagram or Twitter, thinking that they're just talking with all that authority. Yeah, you should actually invest in this ICO and you should do that and you should do that. Who told you these people are even financial advisors? Who even told you that these people are not marketers, they're not promoters, they're not affiliates? Okay, you need to understand that there are not all good people in this market. Okay, there's not really the perfect pure person in this cryptocurrency market. You're not going to find these people, okay, that are going to actually guide you step by step, only if you give them money. Okay, you're giving them money, you're giving them affiliate links that it's actually filled with these people, okay, without mentioning any names. Okay, and you need to actually really be aware of these people, and you should also do your own due diligence. You should actually be confident that you yourself looked on this ICO or this project or this coin, and be 100% confident that you're going to buy this coin or invest in this project or something. Because if you're not confident in that project, then you're not going to make any money. You're going to stay in fear, you're going to stay uncertain, you want to panic sell, you don't know when to sell, when to buy, when to do anything. So really do your own due diligence. I can't stress enough, I say again, do your own due diligence, do your own due diligence, do your own due diligence. And that's the fifth mistake most people actually do, and the most repetitive and common. So thank you guys for watching this video by Bittruth, by your host Mark Luther. Hopefully you benefited at least one of these mistakes and try and avoid them, or at least a handful of them. I don't know how much experience you have or you will get from this video, but at least if you found the benefit, please just comment down below that you benefited from this video. And if you have any other ideas, just come on to our Discord and just chat with us in our Discord server. We actually talk together, we actually have like a huge community out there. Okay, you can join free, link down the description, and see you guys on the next video.